Sorry, last time it didn't pick up the audio. So, I'm doing it this way. I don't want to edit it in. Just rather do it this way. I don't want to do it again. I'm too lazy. So, I'll do it this way. So this is how to download, how to, I guess, set up if it's not already set up this way, and record, basically. So basically just the basics. So first of all, you have to go to Google, search up Bandicam, click on the download. I have OBS. That's the software I'm using. Open broadcast server, I believe. Okay, then you want to download Bandicam. That's what you do. That 144 is the frames per second, or FPS, if you'd rather call it that. If you're unregistered, you get 10 minutes per file, and watermark, you do get a watermark. If you're registered, it's unlimited, so basically over 24 hours recording, and no watermark. But everything else you get with both. So if we skip through this a little bit, I already have it. I hate ads like this. I went over it because I didn't know what it was. I still don't know what it is. I haven't searched it up. Is that a game? Okay. What? Oh, this is the... You know how on Windows 7 or Windows 10 you see this box that says yes, no. You need to click yes. Okay. And then this pops up, which is Bandicam, as you can tell. This is the thing that you will see in recordings. You won't see it in the recording in the Bandicam folder, but in this recording you will. You can run Bandicam on starting, you don't have to, you can. This will bring up the box which will be recorded. Just click REC or REC, I guess you could say, to record. And I'm pretty sure the rest are just normal. But if not, I'm gonna go through them anyways because I already recorded this. Okay, this is where you save your file. This is where you would change it. And it already has a built-in file. This is where you open the folder. I explained these. And I've never clicked the advanced or the setting button down there. I never have. I try to show the FPS. I just go down to that miss FPS picture, but it's going to come back. That's what the FPS would look like. Unregistered is basically you're not membership. You get to pick out where you want the FPS to be. Well, where you see the numbers for FPS. Chose the right. That's the only one I think I've actually changed. Hockey, I tried to show it didn't work. I've never used it. P was for pause, that's regular. And I don't think F13 is an actual number. Which I think it was at. Not number. And I was stupid enough to put F1 in there and thinking it would work if I just clicked on Chrome. Because I forget that's the help button for Chrome. Now you could always click here to record, I believe, and then you could also click here to pause. No, this is not record, this is a picture, this is a record button. You can put whatever you want in here. I don't think this one works. That's why I unchecked it, as you'll see. Pause, I'm not sure. I just left it alone. And mouse click effect, I don't think I've ever had that activated. Or if it was, I've never seen it. Okay, and keep these how those are. I thought they were kilohertz, but I wasn't sure, so I searched them up, so I didn't think wrongly about them. So, I know I was thinking of it correctly. And turns out I was, as you could see. This is normal. These are all my videos, my one image. Oh, and when I do my OBS, I'm probably going to use Bandicam. Then I'm going to record it with OBS, like this. See? So you know it's me. That's basically it with this. Now I'm gonna show you how to download. Okay. So go up. I click the download button. It's downloading. I decided to open when done, but then like no, because I will do it for every single one after it, unless I have another one downloading at the same time, which I didn't want another one downloading at the same time. So I just did it this way. Clicked on it, like normal. I click yes and yes. Yes, it's a black screen, but that's because it's a yes and yes, which OBS apparently doesn't show. I agree. I read it the first time. I don't need to read it again. I didn't want those, but I would have kept those. Browse if you want to change it in a different place. And then you click install. Don't click cancel if you want it. Click install. Bye. And that's it. Bye. The gamer out.